Hi, I'm John's dad, and I've got big plans for 2026. 2026 is going to be a big year and active year for me. I've got lots of short backpacking trips planned and another through hike. If you've been following the channel, you know the last year about this time I was diagnosed with bladder cancer, so I spent the year off the trail for the most part. 3 months of chemotherapy in the summer, 3 months of an operation and recovery in the fall. I'm getting back my strength and I'm ready to do it again. In a little while, we'll be doing our winter backpacking trip. The hardcore among us like to go out and backpack, and so we've found some nice places around here that we like to do that. Traditionally, I've made it a 3-day trip with my friend Kevin. We go out on Friday, set up, collect firewood, that kind of thing, and everybody else shows up on Saturday. We have some good times. Kevin passed away last year, and so I'm just going to go with the group this year. It wouldn't be the same without Kevin. Hey Matt, what's wrong with you that you're out here camping in the snow?
Just enjoying the beautiful weather.
It is beautiful.
I drove down from Michigan to beat the...
In the spring, we're going to go back to the Laurel Highlands hiking trail, do a long weekend there, and we've been doing that now for a few years. We really like that area, and it's not really very far from home. If you're at Trail Days in Damascus for the Appalachian Trail, you'll see me there. Uni and I will be handing out our stickers, so if you see me, feel free to come up and ask for one. I've got a week planned solo on the Appalachian Trail, though I don't plan to tell you where it is until after I've been back a week. I also have the week-long backpacking trip with our group. Again, I'm not going to tell you where, not yet, nor when. That's something we've been doing now. This will be our 11th year that we've hiked together on the Appalachian Trail. The group as a whole has over 500 miles covered. My big through hike for the year, I'm returning to the King's Trail in Sweden. It's a 300-mile backpacking trip in the real mountains. You cross 3 or 4 roads on the whole duration of the trail. It is just awesome. Lots of reindeer, other small animals. It's a fantastically beautiful trip. In the fall, another 3-day trip. We haven't decided where that's going to be though. Oh, the wild card for this year, and I'm really excited about this because it gives me lots of opportunities. My wife is doing a 2-week pilgrimage with her church. I don't know where I'm going to go. North Country Trail is close to home here. I want to knock off more sections of the Ice Age Trail up in Wisconsin. And of course, a couple more weeks on the Appalachian Trail wouldn't be so bad either, would it? So let me know what you think. See you later, bye.